Please put your hands together for them.
The Rotary Club of Lake Bunyonyi has held its second presidential installation at Sefas Inn in Makanga, Central Division of Kabale Municipality. Rotarian Benjamin Mayanja, known as the irresistible president, was officially installed as a new president of the club, succeeding the club's first president, Rotarian Herbert Kajochi. In his inaugural address, Rotarian Mayanja outlined his vision for the Rotary Club of Lake Bunyonyi, focusing on environmental conservation, education, and healthcare. Notable among his initiatives are the greening of the Bunyonyi Road and the banks of Lake Bunyonyi, providing scholastic materials to over 20 primary schools in partnership with Foreign Rotary Club, and improving maternal and child health services. He also pledged to support disabled and elderly individuals by providing wheelchairs and other assistance.
We want to plant your balance by the time of the 100th DCA, greening Bunyonyi Road in conjunction with UNURA, greening the banks of the islands of Lake Bunyonyi and the main bank of the lake in partnership with the population and the resort proprietors, provide scholastic materials to 20 primary schools in conjunction with a Rotary Club in USA, care for pregnant girls, young mothers, and child parents, where the area of focus is maternal and child health, continue with supply of parts, and we can punctuate these projects with a few others, like caring for the disabled and the elderly, especially where we can secure them wheelchairs, visit the sick in the health facilities around us, visit the prisoners, provide clothing to the vulnerable. Those are some of the things on the catalogue of the things we shall perform.
The event was marked by the induction of 13 new members, bringing a wealth of talent and leadership to the club. The new inductees included prominent figures from Kabale, such as Ahimbisibwe Martin, manager of Equity Bank, Canon Joshua Mutekanga, a renowned businessman, Kansa Cephas Birungi, Reverend Rin Rushirande K. Birungi, wife of Emeritus Bishop of the Diocese of Kigezi, Right Reverend William Rushiranda, and Kabale District Education Officer Moses Bwenje, among others. Rotarian Dr. Timothy Basima, who officiated the ceremony, encouraged the Rotarians to continuously contribute to the Rotary projects and financially support their clubs. He emphasized that their contributions are vital to improving community welfare through projects that focus on health, education, and infrastructure.
Having an installation as the only project of the year. You put in much money, you do the installation, and you finish your year without doing any project. Or you even do mini projects. That's not Rotary. Where did you get the money to put in this function? Where did you get those resources? Can't you get the same resources for a project in Katuna? Can't you get the same resources for a project somewhere? There's across the hill there, around October. There are names they normally mention around there. Those of you who come from there know the names. Can't you get that? How did you raise this money to make this function? It's very important. I want to strictly mention this. Let's not have this as our project. We need to do projects.
In her remarks, Dr. Patricia Achan, the Deputy Inspector General of Government and member of the Kampala Daybreakers Rotary Club, urged the members to prioritize service beyond self. She highlighted the importance of honesty and integrity in Rotary's club, encouraging the new and old members alike to dedicate themselves to community service.
We need to be encouragers. So I encourage the new Rotarians to build unity of purpose, to stick by the moral compass from the four-way test, and to keep encouraging other members and bringing new members so that we support. Because like I said, when you support, when you give, you get it back. Even nature will respect you. Even nature will favor you wherever you go, because you have planted a seed in your act of service and giving.
Former district governor for District 9214, Rotarian Wycliffe Mugisha, echoed his sentiment, urging the newly inducted members to actively participate in Rotary's initiatives and to live up to the organization's 7 pillars, ensuring a lasting impact on the community.
All of you, your leaders, I don't see any of you being a joker. Rotary is serious business, isn't it? Because we make a difference. We are few of us, but the impact we've created over the years is immense. So, if any of you has been inducted today, and you feel you are not serious enough, please bring back the pin. And we'll wish you well. But I know no one wants to lose that pin, isn't it? Because it is a pin of pride and honor. And I believe seeing members of Rotary Club of Kampala Daybreak, Rotary Club of Chigo, Barara, and many other clubs, Mayanja where I come from, it is a sign that we have one great family, and that is a family of Rotary.
Outgoing President Rotarian Herbert Kajochi expressed his gratitude for the cooperation and dedication of the club's members during his tenure. He lauded their efforts in improving their communities and urged them to continue striving for positive change. The ceremony also included an award to the Rotary Club of Chigo, which played a pivotal role in establishing the Rotary Club of Lake Bunyonyi.
Today, we are seeing our second president being installed. We are bringing in new members. But I want to give you the encouragement. At one time we shall run, but for the moment, let us keep on walking. Let us keep on walking. We shall run, but let us keep on walking. That is my piece of advice. Let's move. Let's move. Let's do great things. Let's be Rotarian, but not attendants of Rotary.
Rotarian Benjamin Mayanja worked as a clinical officer in the office of the district medical officer in 1979 at Kabale in South Kigezi district, became a clinician at the Church of Uganda Kigezi Hospital in 1983, worked as a clinician at Kabale Hospital in 1988, became a district tuberculosis and leprosy supervisor in 1996 for Kabale district for 10 years, after which he went to voluntary retirement. He became a Rotarian in 2008. He became the chairperson board of governors for Kabale Secondary School for 6 years. He became the chairperson for Kabale Real Estate Owners Association in 2012. He was a chairperson for the construction committee at All Saints Church Kabale. He became vice chairperson for Kabale Central Market Vendors Association in 2018, led a team of Rotarians to Nairobi, Kenya and Napul, India, where he earned awards for Rotary Club of Kabale. In 2022, he was a visiting Rotarian to the Rotary Club of Cork City in the Republic of Ireland. Compiled by Norbert Njamhachi for Kigezi Television.